Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Attica, New York. We are installing around 60 square feet of white ice granite today. We're at 1:47 in the afternoon. Let's see how we do on this install. Okay, we are at 1:57. We're gonna start bringing our first piece in. Let's see how fast and how safe we can get these pieces in.
Now let's go the whole thing this way a little bit.
I hope. Okay, so here we are at 210 and we have all of our pieces in place. Now we're ready to start getting our seam warmed up. We're going to use a heat gun on that to get the stone warm so we don't end up with any condensation moisture in the seam. We set to go. Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. I'm here with our customers, Al and Jean. We're in Attica, New York. We're just finishing up around a 60 square foot install of white ice granite. What do you guys think of the process of picking your countertop out at our place?
You made it very easy and we were very informative and great.
Awesome. What do you think of our template process?
Oh, that was awesome too. Your son came and did the laser and you were with him and it only took about an hour and I never saw anything like it.
What do you think of your overall fit and finish here?
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely fantastic.
Okay. On your job, we have a seam. Usually that's the hardest thing for customers. They don't want seams. What do you think of your seam?
I couldn't find the seam. It's beautiful. It's over here, but it's lovely.
Yep.
Awesome. Now what do you think of our install process and our crew here installing for you?
Your crew is fabulous. Your sons and your other person, and it was awesome. I mean, it was 3 hours and I can't believe it's all done and so nice. Do you have anything to say?
Everything's perfect.
Yeah, it is. Organized, very organized, and cleaned up everything, and it was great.
We really appreciate the business.
We would recommend you to anybody.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.